Hey scrappers, welcome back to the channel. You know what yesterday was? That's right, yesterday was Monday. That makes today Tuesday. Time for another 2-Minute Tuesday. Roll the intro. Okay, scrappers, in today's 2-Minute Tuesday challenge, we're going to try to tear down this here power supply to find out if we should be taking them apart, saving the wire, saving the board and the steel all separate and selling it separate. Does it really pay to do that? There's a lot of discrepancies. Some guys say yes, some guys say no. I guess a lot of it is going to have to do with where you wind up selling your materials to. So with that said, you can see that this one here weighs 4.5 pounds and a half an ounce. If we sold it just as it sits right here, if we sold it just as is, we'd get $1.57. So now let's see what will happen once we tear it all down. 2 minutes on the clock and go. Hopefully I'll be able to complete one of these 2-minute challenges in 2 minutes. Maybe today will be the day. What do you think? I'm not really sure, but we'll find out. All right, she's starting to come apart here. Probably got to cut this little tie wrap on there. Get that off there. She should come apart here somehow. Ooh, there. I think this is where it's got to come apart. She's being stubborn. Why are you being so stubborn? There we go. All right, we got get these fans out of the way. We're only going to take this down as far as what you would to be able to throw it in the shred, and then we'll go from there. Board screwed on, usually 4 of them, usually 4 screws. More shred. Okay, now we gotta clean up this wire on here. I hope. How we doing? How we doing? How much time do I got left? How much time we got? How much time we got? Now you could just take a bigger cutter and just cut that all in one big lump. But I didn't do that, and I don't know where my big cable cutters is. So we're gonna have to do it this old-fashioned way with this little hand one and see how we can do. Yeah, come on. Gotta get in there. They really got them babies packed in there. Let's see if we can get that. Get some of that up there. All right. If we can get a good bite on her, then we can cut more at once. So yeah, what do you think? What do you think the alternative or the outcome is going to be? Is it going to be worth going through all of this for a power supply? There are some advantages. It's easier to store the board itself versus the big bulky boxy power supply. Come on, where are you? Oh, she bite. All right, there we go. Come on, baby, stay on there. Stay on there. All right, we've got 1 pound of wire. And the power supply board itself is, let me write this stuff down here too. Oh, I gotta get a pencil. All right, we're ready now. So the board itself weighs 1 pound, 12, 13, 14. 1 pound, 14 ounces. 1 lb of wire, and then the steel. Steel's gonna be, what have you got going on for shred? Shred is gonna be 1 pound, 6 ounces, figuring with the screws in there. All right, and then we've got these fans which can go into motors. I usually just cut them like this. That way you can pull this wire out of there pretty easily. So you cut them, cut that. All right. So let's just call motors 3 ounces of motors. I don't even know if I'll add that in for this exercise here in futility. Okay, scrappers, I Captain crunched the numbers off camera, and I broke it down by the ounce, and this is what we came up with. So if we sell the board complete to board sort with the wires and everything, we get $1.58 for that particular power supply. If we sell it, if we cut the wires off and sell it to board sort, we get 90 cents. Broken down and sold separately, the board, if we sold it to board sort, we'd get 93 cents. The wire, if we sold that locally, I'd get 94 cents. The shred, about 11 cents, for a total of $1.98, which, if you subtract the $1.58, we're gaining about 40 cents by breaking it down. So 40 cents for breaking it down. Otherwise, if you just cut the wire and sell it to board sort, you would get $1.84, 90 cents and 94 cents, be $1.84 minus $1.58, we'd be gaining 26 cents. So depending upon what your yard is paying for power supplies or low-grade boards, you got to make that decision whether you want to figure out a way to get your commodities to board sort, or if you want to sell them locally or break them down. That's all really going to be up to you. Okay, scrappers, remember, if you're a cat lover, pounce on that like button. If not, just give it a delicate click. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Enlighten someone, hit that share button, and get yourself some scrapper gear at Scrap-Meister.com. Plus, I'd suggest that you watch one of the videos on screen now. And remember, until the next video, be good.